a very happy Durga Puja and a happy Navratri to one and all. The Shakti Peetha are those places of worship where the organs or ornament related to Shakti fell during the time when Shiva did a Tandava taking her body. Now, where all did this start from? Raksha, the father of Sati, organized the yajna, and he did not invite Sati and her husband Shiva to it. Sati did attend the yajna, but she was constantly insulted because of Shiva. Listening to all those, she immolated herself, and somehow, when Shiva came to know about this, he flew into a bad rage, and he performed the Tandava with the Sati's body on his shoulders. Now all these gods started running haywire, and they went to Lord Vishnu. Lord Vishnu took his Sudarshan Chakra and he used it on Sati's body. And the 51 organs and the jewelries of Sati, wherever it fell across the Indian subcontinent, be it in India, Sri Lanka, Pakistan, yes, you did hear it right, Bangladesh, Nepal, etc., they emerged as the Shakti Pithas, and the Shakti Pithas are places where people pray and they are blessed with boons, boons of long life, boons of getting free from all the sins they have committed, yes, and boons of a healthy life, a fearless life, etc. So let me take you around a virtual tour of the Shakti Pithas. So you can see the map of India along with the neighboring countries, and it shows the Shakti Pithas in the South Asian countries: India, Bangladesh, Nepal, Pakistan, Sri Lanka and Tibet. So let me take you to a very fast overview where the Shakti Pithas are located. We start with Hingulaj temple, which is located in Balochistan province of Pakistan. A lot of devotees in Pakistan travel to this Shakti Pitha, and fasting and darshan on a day, certain auspicious day in the Shukla Paksha in a certain month of the Hindu calendar, it gives you an opportunity of not taking birth again. That means it frees you from the cycle of life and death. We have Ma Mahishasur Mardini, Ma Sunanda, Ma Mahamaya, which is worshipped in Amarnath in Kashmir. Ma Jwalamukhi, worshipped in Himachal. Ma Virja Devi, Ma Dakshayani, it is worshipped in Tibet. Ma Mahamaya, Ma Jai Durga. Again, it's one of the temples where people worship if they have a fear of untimely death. Ma Tripur Malini, Ma Gandaki. Again, this temple is in Nepal, and it's by the side of the Gandaki river in Nepal. Ma Bahula Devi in West Bengal, Ma Mangalya Chandika in Ujjain, Ma Tripura Sundari in the Udaipur district of Tripura, Ma Bhavani located in Bangladesh, Ma Bhutadhatri again in West Bengal, Ma Jayanti in the Jayantiya hills of Meghalaya, Ma Lalita Devi, it's one of the temples wherein it's believed if you worship there, you are freed from chronic fever. Ma Kamakhya, one of the most favorite of the religious pilgrimage in India, in Assam. Ma Brahmari in West Bengal. Ma Kali, the temple where Lord Ramakrishna is to worship the goddess. Ma Vimla, Ma Vishalakshmi, Ma Shravani, this is in Kanyakumari, and Ma Savitri, this is in the Kurukshetra city of Haryana. Ma Gayatri, this is in Pushkar district of Rajasthan. Ma Mahalakshmi, Ma Devgarva, this is in Kanchi. where Shankaracharya ashram is also located in Kanchipuri. Ma Kali, Ma Narmada, Ma Aparna. Again, this place is in Bangladesh. Ma Varahi, where Sati's lower teeth fell, and she has an avatar of the Varaha avatar, as it is called. Ma Narayani, where Sati's upper jaw fell. Ma Uma, Ma Shivani, this is in Chitrakoot. Ma Sri Shundari, Ma Kapalini, again in West Bengal. Ma Chandrabhaga, Ma Avanti, Ma Brahmari. Again, this is one of the temples in which it is believed, if you believe it, it frees you from the fear of death. Ma Kalika Devi, Ma Uma, Ma Kumari, Ma Vishveshi, Ma Ambika, Ma Sarvandakari, Ma Mahishasur Mardini. This is again in West Bengal. A lot of, if you see the map, a lot many temples of Sati, the Shakti Pithas are in West Bengal. Ma Yashasvini, Ma Fullara, and Ma Nandini. This is in Shantiniketan, Bolpur. And this is the temple of Ma Indrakshi, not in order though. So yes, I've tried to cover the 51 Shakti Pithas across the Indian subcontinent, and in this pandemic season where we couldn't view all the places and worship them, I believe at least a darshan of this will give us a touch of wisdom and happy health. So wish you again a very happy Durga Puja and Navratri from my side.